Mic check.
Yeah, don't have to be. Don't have to be.
When I thought that the market has been well in 2022, my life could not have been much more exciting with 3 biggest milestones of a man coming to me all at once. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and if you're new here, I make videos about investing, productivity, and self-development. It's been a while since I last made a video because I just had my wedding. Of you are married. And I will be expecting a child in October. Not only that, I will also be done with my national service in 2 more months, and that means I have to find a career real soon. So what has this got to do with you, and why should you be watching this video? Okay, so first of all of these events are coming to me all at once in 2 months interval. So in August, I'll be done with my national service, and in Singapore it's called ORD, Operational Ready Date, which means that I have to find a career, and 2 months after that, I will be expecting my baby in October, and just last week was my wedding. So I don't think I'm the only one who is going through such huge milestones all at once in the life of a man, especially as a guy in Singapore. And I understand that it can be really stressful. So this is just an update for myself, for my future, and for my son to see next time, and also for those who are going through something like that as me, same as me. And I want to share with you guys how I am planning to develop myself as a husband, father, and as a person while going through my investments from here onwards. So starting from scratch, due to my wedding, and if you have watched my videos from last time, you understand that I make monthly investments into some of the ETFs and some cryptocurrencies as well. So because of my wedding and my preparation for my baby, I have since taken out all my investments from my portfolio, and I consider myself lucky because ever since I take out my investments and my money, the market has dropped significantly for both the stock market and the crypto market. This also serves as a good starting point for my investing journey to come, and you guys can follow along my journey and see where I'm going to be putting my money from here onwards. So am I planning to invest now since the market has dropped quite a bit? So for those who are new to investing, have not been investing from the start and never before, and those who have some money inside the market and have not been investing for a while, this video serves as a good, I would say, reference point to see whether you should start investing back or actually start investing right now. So I know there could be friends or other YouTubers who are saying, oh, buy the dip, or some are even saying, oh, it's dropping every time, it's not wise to buy now, you should wait for a while longer, and all of these things. So this might confuse you. You are quite lost. Oh, should I start investing back? Should I wait for the dip to drop even more or something like so? This video will help you with that. So my suggestion is, I am not a financial consultant, or this is not financial advice, but I feel that if you have not invested any money before, or has not done so in a long time, you should put a bit of money inside the market right now, like for this dip. And a bit of money is subjective, but meaning the money that you're able to afford to lose. So why do you have to put in the money right now? I'm going to give you the explanation. Okay, so turn the tides in your favor. Okay, turn the tides in your favor, and there are 2 benefits for you. Because the market is quite low right now, you have not been invested, or you have never been done investing before. Take this opportunity to buy in at such low pricing, and the first benefit that you will get, you may experience a rebound in the market, which is what you want, correct? Or it can drop even lower, which is not what you want. But that's the key idea here. And many investors back in 2019 to 2020, when they just got into investing, they realize they have gained something. They only gain extreme returns like 20%. If you take a look at the S&P 500, they return about 20% for the past 3 years. And this may not be a very good thing, because when such markets like this happen, big drop, huge recession and everything is coming, this has caused all the investors back then to panic, because they have not experienced such dips and losses before. So the first benefit which I'm trying to say is, yes, you take this opportunity, the markets might rebound, you make money. Secondly, if it remains dropping, this could be a great lesson and basically a dip into the water and into the markets, okay, to understand how the markets is truly like when such things happen. It's not going to be all sunshine and rainbows back in the few years where you only have great returns. There will be days, there'll be years, there'll be months that you'll face such huge losses, such huge drops. Okay, so long as you believe in the long run, you believe in the long game about investing, and this strategy should prepare you for the long game and prepare you for the worst. So if you do not know, I also trade forex, and the way I'm trading is very I focus a lot on money management and psychology. So the only thing I see about people who just got into investing and they're trading stocks is they lack such skills, I would say. I'm not the best forex trader or anything, but I feel that forex trading has helped me to develop such skills. I feel that forex trading has helped me to hone such money management and psychological skills, whereby you are expected to, go through such markets. So in terms of psychology, entering into the market right now when it's dropping or when it's cheap is, number one, is good. Number two, if it drops further, and these are the money that you can lose because you invested a small amount of money, which I just told you, you can prepare yourself to buy the dip or maybe wait for a while longer from there, and understand the market, that it's not going to be so smooth sailing and like the past 3 years. In conclusion, get yourself into the markets as soon as possible, okay, and have a feel of how is it going to be like, when it's rough, so that when years to come, I'm talking about 20-30 years to come, when such markets happen again, and it is projected to happen every 10 years, like the huge drops and the recovery, when it happens again, you will understand that, it happens most of the time every 10 years or many years later. You'll be further prepared psychologically. So for those who have entered the market back in 2019 and 2020, where if you're invested into, for example, S&P 500, and you have phenomenal returns, so I have something for you as well. Don't be afraid. Keep investing. Take this chance to, if you have not been dollar cost averaging, okay, or if you have been doing that, take this chance to buy in at the low prices and understand the strategy and understand the long game. You are in investing for the long game and not for the quick returns. I hope you are. Watch my other videos where I talk about, if you invested your money and you rely on compound interest itself, it can actually give you phenomenal returns back then in next 20-30 years. So stay invested. Don't get out of the markets, okay? Don't trade the markets right now because it's very volatile. But volatility is our friend. If you understand what I'm trying to say, okay? You want the markets to drop down so you can buy in, okay? So for those YouTubers out there, I agree with them what they are saying. They're saying that, don't buy now, it's stupid to buy now since it dropped a lot, wait a bit longer. Yes, it's true. But for those who are new, okay, this is for those who are new, you can take this opportunity to get in. And honestly speaking, all those YouTubers and all those financial advisors, no one knows what the market is going to do, okay? No one knows what the market is doing. If someone's giving you advice, even me, I feel that this is the most neutral strategy for yourself. Invest now, have an understanding of how it works while it's low, because the S&P has hit new lows this year. So it might drop even further, it might rebound, we never know. So take this opportunity as to invest your money, okay? When it rebounds out, it's good, okay? And just keep in mind, me giving you this advice after I have gone through all this, I'm gonna have a baby, I just got married, I'm gonna have a house that is going to be paid for in the next few years. I'm gonna be, meaning, what does it mean to you? I am essentially taking more risks, okay? But I'm still positive for the long run. Investing is has always been something that I believe in. So since I'm going to take more risks, I have more risks to take into account, my baby and my wife. I'm not just investing for myself now. This is going to be my strategy from now. I will try to get myself into the market as soon as possible. Not for the wrong reasons, because I know that markets are not like that, but of course I feel that it's low enough. Okay? So I will get in there as soon as possible. and from there we'll see how it goes. Okay, turn the tides in your favor. Okay, believe in the long run, believe in the long game, and you'll do yourself a very huge favor in the long run. I'll see you in the next video.
I feel that.
Okay, I feel that forex trading has allowed me to okay. I feel that forex trading has allowed me to hone such psychological and money management skills